lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's a little bit of a new video because I want to come back into my filming, and I've actually got a new brand that I'm working with, and they've kindly sent me the Hairtopper. This is the box that it comes in. As you can tell, it's beautiful, very aesthetic, which is my vibes. I need to stop looking over there, I need to look into the actual camera bit there. Yeah. I've got the new SEGOHAIR hair toppers to try. They kindly sent me this, which I'm so happy with, and obviously it's my first ever paid partnership, so yeah, I'm excited. But yeah, let's show you the product and all that goodness. So this, I have filmed this one for my TikTok as well, so obviously if you want to see the portrait version, you can go over and see it, but this is the landscape one. This is the hair topper, as you can tell. Perfect hair match. Obviously I want to show you like the softness and the shine that comes through. Like, just look at that already. And obviously the hairline is so natural looking, it doesn't look fake, which is a must for me, because every time I wear my wigs and that, I don't want it to look fake. I want them to look more realistic, and I'm actually look like I wear one. So I've kind of already just like tucked my little band bits at the top because I find it easier so it doesn't get caught in like the sides or anything. But I'm just gonna straighten it as well so you guys can see what it looks like. I could like straighten this all day, it's so satisfying. Probably wanted, well, I should pack a hair video. I love doing hair and makeup, so I want to try and post more on my YouTube this year. That's my goal. I want to post loads of hair tutorials, makeup videos, and also my coach course. You know, I love coach clothing and all that. I love doing that. Or any vlogs. If you guys want to see any vlogs, let me know down below. I'm going to just put my hair out the way because I find it easier putting the hair toppers on this way. And then I just like to tie the back of it so it doesn't get caught or anything like that. I've sort of like done, you know what I mean, like straightened top so it's more curved a little bit. Okay. I've unpopped the little poppers underneath. As you can see, the lace is so natural as well, and it's actually really nice and comfortable in the head. Just remove the little okay, so what I usually actually do, I like to align the front bit here, literally near my forehead, so that the bands actually are aligned. And then I just like to, oh no, else I didn't click that in place, just like so. And then I just want to click the back in, make sure that's on some hair, and click it in just like so. As you can tell, actually looks quite cute, but I'm gonna take my hair out first, then the hair topper, and then I'm just going back in my comb again just to adjust. Just gonna go the fringe so it looks more natural. Like the colour match is insane. And just going to adjust. Okay, that was so much easier putting it on. And again, so natural. I am going to be using Sabrina Carpenter makeup with this because it curves it and match my hair like curly with it. Oh my god, I'm so happy with this. Thank you, SEGOHAIR, for sending us. Let me give you a close-up so you can actually see what it looks like. This is the fringe. I did cut it as well, so it just like sits nicely. But yeah, that is the hair toppers. I could literally just like, I could actually wear this to work. If I wanted just like pants for a day. Oh my god, I look so sexy. Mirror bands, what do you think? Okay, I can't get over these. It looks so natural, and it also gives me that little volume at the top because I usually get flat hair, which is not fun. So this is like perfect alternative when I want some volume, and if I have greasy hair, I can just chuck this on. But yeah, I look so sexy. Oh good. Okay, I'm gonna go now because I can't contain back my excitement for this. I'm gonna be wearing this all afternoon now, I can tell. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of me coming back onto YouTube and just like showing these new hair toppers. I can't get over it too much. Okay, I need to stop. But yeah, thank you again for supporting my channel, and can't wait to some more newness. I can't wait for like all the makeups, all the hair tutorials I got up. I might post some of my shorts onto this channel if you guys want me to. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you guys in my next. Oh, also make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye my jewel Venus.